Hi, I am Darshan from TN Box. We are going to unbox this GAMO scope. Yeah, let's go into the video. Nice box. The scope comes out. Nice. Okay, we are going to first see about this, and we will see about the price in the last. This is a scope mount. It is used to mount scopes to the gun. This is a scope mount. Okay, let's go into the scope. Yeah, scope is packaged nicely. A nice look. Yeah, this is a scope protector. Yeah, this is to avoid scratches in the scope. Yeah, and this is the scope. Nice texture. Original GAMO. That's this scope is 3 into 9 into 30, and this scope costs just 7,500 rupees in Indian. And this has features like a light to aim at evening or evening times and in light dark. This is for adjusting the angle in the aim. They have two. This is for up and down. This is for left and right. Yeah, it has till 9 June, starting from 3 to 9. This adjusts the light inside. Let me show the light inside. This is the light. Yeah, that's minute light for evening vision. Thank you. Like and subscribe.